This should take me sort of straight back to the car, get some lunch, and come back out, maybe pick a point on the map while I'm eating, and then just kind of, oh, trouble. Yeah. Kind of set myself like a waypoint on the app. Such a good day, man. Such a good day. So far, so good, I should say. Don't want to jinx it. Been doing a lot more exercise bike, and my knee is feeling pretty darn good. The knee that I thought I had a torn meniscus, but it's just a handful of other things. Like cartilage and fluid and abnormal shape on the freaking kneecap. It's been almost a year, dude. I've had this knee injury for like 10 months now, but it's feeling pretty good today. That rock looks like a skull. Oh, dude, a shinner. Oh, dang it. Jinxed myself. Son of a gun. Ooh, fudge. Fudge. Ow, dude. It wasn't my knee, it was my shin. Like halfway up. Oh man. That was gnarly, dude. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, freaking digger. Dude, how? Was it this? I think it was this, dude. Yeah, that's what I did. Bro, this freaking thing might have something to do with it. Dang, dude. Yeah. Shinner freaking hard right there. Missed the back brake. Something like this left boot just got ripped right off the peg. Kind of fell back this way. And Katie went flying. Oh, dude. Katie's a little twisted up. Bro. I'm gonna have to get it down to the road to see how bad it's twisted up. Doesn't seem too bad, but oh, dude, for sure. Like, that looks straight with the fender. And that looks straight with the bar, dude. That's quite a big difference. Alright, dude. Let's see if we can come out to a clearing out here. Oh yeah, dude, she's twisted. She is twisted, dudes. All these gnarly roots coming out from the sides will take you off your bike. So I need to hit it on the right side. That's a little better, but holy cow. Just me.
Okay, just me.
Dude, I just took the gnarliest digger up there. Like, roots coming out of the trail, just take your foot right off the peg, dude, and just sent it down. I was recording though.
Nice.
So at least that's a plus. How you doing, man?
Oh, pretty good. How about yourself?
Doing great up until that, you know, but still having a good day.
Heck yeah. That's usually how it goes.
Yeah, dude. Right on, man.
All right, well, have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too. Take her easy. Dude, he's got the Yamaha, dude. He had the X, I think that was. Dude, this front end is twisted. Ooh. Trail's gotten deep. Feels a lot better now. Yeah, dude, after my left boot got ripped off the pegs, I was just along for the ride, dude. My bars still feel out of whack.